okay.
Okay, cool. Let's get into it. So now, actually, can you feel the heat in there compared to there? There's heat in that right knee. I might run the machine while we're
around there on your table.
So we'll get that little guy going as well, give you more information, give you your new frequencies.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so when it was so much fun having David on the table yesterday as my human.
Yeah.
Because you know, when I had his indicator muscle unlocking because I had information storing in it, and I was just talking to the people and saying, you know, so as long as my feet are apart, this is, and he's like holding it and he's trying to make it work, and as soon as I put my feet together, it locked. He's like, that makes no sense. Okay, chat, laugh, tell us a story for 10 seconds.
Hi, it's Monica. Yep, I'm in such pain, but Madonna's going to fix me and Sean's going to top it up. So, yeah, weight's coming off. So, yep, 16th we've got a
5 kilos.
Yep, and on the 16th we're having a fashion parade at the church, and I'm one of the models, so I've got to have it off by then.
Awesome. That's very cool.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's see what this little knee says. And can you feel that little guy out there?
Yeah, that's where it's sore.
Yeah, right, because that feels like a little floaty. Anyway, just doesn't feel quite normal. So let's see whether the muscle wants to be pushed or pulled. So let's pull that joint. See if it likes it. Hold. No, does not like it. What if we push the joint? And hold. No, it doesn't like either of them. Okay, well, let's check these.
Doesn't like me either.
Hold. No. Right, so even from here down, your femur bones aren't in position. What about your feet are talking to your brain? Okay. What about your flexor hallucis long? No. Okay, we need to start at the very
The
beginning.
feet are talking to the brain because it says keep walking.
Yeah, so the foot proprioceptors are working, but these little guys aren't. So your body is clawing itself into the earth because of the amount of pain it's in.
Yeah, that could be right.
And
too,
it does not want to relax.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, so we need to switch on the foot proprioceptors all the way out. Actually, I might get some gel onto them.
Mm-hmm.
Then I can wake up the little areas of the spine as well.
Mm-hmm. Oh, what would I do without you?
Mm-hmm. Breathe in, breathe out and push towards me. And breathe in, breathe out and push. Breathe in, breathe out and push. And breathe in, breathe out and lift at your toes. And breathe in, breathe out and lift at your toes. And breathe in, breathe out and lift at your toes. And hold, 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 hold. Awesome.
Great.
Okay, let's see if that has helped this at all. And hold, and hold. Yeah, right, and hold. So because your feet weren't talking to your brain properly, you know, that communication was messing with all of this through here as well. Interesting. Yeah. Okay. And when are you booked in to see Miss Renergy or not yet?
I texted her earlier, and she most probably can fit me in sometime Monday because it's a public show, public holiday.
Oh, she's a good woman.
Yeah, so I've got to see what happens this afternoon,
Yeah.
and then I'll. Well, if it's a public holiday here, it's a public holiday over there too. Being late, so I don't have to be back at 1.
We're a public holiday on Wednesday, not Monday. Here.
No, but Alex Hills and
Yeah.
those,
Yeah.
whatever is that Redlands?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're same day as being late.
Yeah, the policeman's wife is mayor. Councillor.
Mm.
Okay. Little jaw. Been clenching your jaw, grinding your teeth.
I've lost the feeling too.
Yeah, right. Okay, well, there's an extra little fun outing you've got looking to look towards.
I've got to pay for the hot water system first.
Doug's just had to put in a hot water system.
Mum was 40-year-old, so I can't complain really.
Doug thinks they had theirs put in the day before Jay and I got married.
Oh,
So 33 and a half years.
wow. They're only supposed to last 25, so.
Yeah, well, he said he thought he did pretty well out of
Yeah.
it, and you've obviously done
Yeah.
pretty well out of it.
Because 25 will be 95, so I don't think I'll be living there then.
Anything's possible.
Yeah.
Unless the voice goes through.
It's funny, I lost the feeling the same week as the hot water system.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, sure.
They had to make a choice.
Because he reckons if it had it blown up, it would take the wall and the floor out. So.
That's your knee hurting, not your hip, obviously.
Knee.
Yeah.
That one's as good as gold. The caring side's okay. It's the doing side.
It is the doing side that's exhausted.
That could be just it too.
What do you want to say no to?
Anything that anybody else asks me to do.
Yeah. Are you
I can't take on anything else.
Yeah. Are you happy with your current load, or do you want to get rid of stuff you're already doing?
No, I just got to get the house. That's my main job.
Yeah.
It's council cleanup this week, so
Oh,
the weekend
cool.
I'll be getting all the stuff out from out the back in the garage. So that'll be good.
Yeah, that's cool.
Got a few mowing jobs to do this weekend too, so I might do them Friday already, and then Saturday I can. Because once I mowed the front part of it, I can start sucking everything there.
Yeah, right. Your sacral chakra is really low, so your nervous system can't imagine creating good stuff for you at the moment. It's creating some grief in your energy circuits, as well as some fear and anger out there in the world.
Oh, so crabby yesterday.
Interesting.
And then the girl I was working with, I said, "Do you need me to do anything for you?" And she said, "No." I said, "Well, I'm going to sit in there and write invites."
Good.
And so I did.
Excellent. Yeah, I know you feel like you're falling apart, but actually your bloods are looking pretty good. So from that first perspective, there's a few little bits and pieces, but
Okay.
so that's good. Let's do the other one and get more specific with connective tissue, muscles, bones.
Okay.
How much redox are you taking?
240.
Yep. And inflavonoids?
4 a day.
Yeah.
But after today, I might take more. Oh, I've got a full bottle there, so
Cool.
I might grab another bottle and put it in my handbag.
Yeah, good
so
idea.
then I can, just keep on top of it.
Yeah.
Magnesium, I take a full.
Yeah, beautiful. Check the quadriceps. Bend the leg. Hold up. Don't let me push down. Yeah, no. Don't let me push down. No.
I
Interesting.
Try.
Yeah.
I try.
Yeah.
That's why I think it's so amazing.
Yeah, right.
Because you can try so hard to hold it there and it just won't hold.
That's why it was so much fun having Sean on the table for the last course and Dr. David Nixon on the table for this course.
Yeah.
You know, because they're, doctors who have a really good understanding in the body, and they go, I don't understand. I go, hee hee hee. Hold up for me.
Oh.
I'm not competitive, huh?
No.
None whatsoever. Okay, so with your glutes, hold straight up for me. No. Hold straight up for me. No. So your glutes aren't activating, which we know because you can't get up out of a chair. Hold down, don't let me lift up. Hold down, don't let me lift up. No. So nothing's activating in that, lower region.
Yeah.
Actually, bend your knees. There's some little, I just want to activate the ischial tuberosities and connect them to left-right centering. And actually, I'll get you to rub top of your pubic bone. Cool. And relax. Let's have a look. Legs straight up for me. Sorry.
Straight.
Get in. That's better. Hold down. Don't let me lift up. Hold down. Don't let me lift up. Yeah. Leg up. Don't let me push down. Leg up. Don't let me push down. Now let's check if it's part of a whole gait thing, which is to do with your whole.
When I did that,
yes,
that pulled on the back.
Whereabouts? Show me where.
Around about there.
Okay, so it could be QL, it could be the bottom of lat dorsi. So let's check your latissimus dorsi. So hold in, don't let me push out. It's pretty good. Hold in. Could you feel that same muscle in there?
No.
Okay, good. So now I'll get you to hold on to the edges of the table. Hold out, don't let me pull right. Yeah, right. Don't let me pull left. Yeah, okay. Could you feel that same muscle or
no,
not the same one? Now let's also check this one here, the fascia lata. Hold up, I'm coming down and in. Okay. Hold up, I'm coming down and in. Right.
Yeah.
You could feel it with that one.
Yeah.
Interesting. So that's your fascia lata. Yeah, so quadratus lumborum, this little one here, and fascia lata all the way down the side of the legs. They're both large intestine meridians, grief, guilt, regret.